Hi, I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent, and I'm here with another new listing, 5164 Annandale. It's in Southwest Millcreek in the desirable Westbury Ridge subdivision. 4 beds, 2.5 baths, 3-car garage, and we're listing this for $435,000. But before we go inside, I want you to click that thumb that you like the video, subscribe to this channel so you can get more great listings, and click the bell for notifications. Come on, let's go check it out. I'm just coming into 5164 Annandale. Again, Southwest Millcreek, 4 beds, 2.5 baths, and it's in Westbury Ridge. So let's check it out, come on. So one of the things I love about this house is it's a contemporary design. So as we come in here and we enter this area, you've got a formal dining room attached to a nice big living room, and you've got some great vaulted ceilings too. Here I am in the kitchen, which is an eat-in kitchen because it's got an additional space over here for a table, and tall boy chairs can sit at the breakfast counter. All the appliances in here are included. Also, again, because of the contemporary design, you've got a vaulted ceiling plus 2 skylights in there. So there's tons of natural light here. And another thing that I love about the house is you've got these beautiful big sliding doors that walk out to a nice deck, concrete deck that's covered. And we're going to take a look at that when we go outside. In the family room, with the vaulted ceiling, we've got a wood-burning fireplace, really nice size space, and that flows right into a really nice office. So when you come from this large family room, it flows into a nice office. If you like to work from home, this space is great. A gaming room, computer room, playroom for the kids, and it's right off the family room. I'm in the first floor common hallway, and when you go down this hallway, it takes you to the entrance to the garage, which is a beautiful big 3-car garage. There's first floor laundry and a nice half bath. So we're going to head upstairs now. There's 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. One of the bedrooms is a beautiful big master suite. But again, as you're coming along, I want you to check out how this is all open and vaulted, and you get a great view of the family room and this foyer. That's what I love about this house. It's a contemporary design with these beautiful vaulted ceilings. Let's go check it out. Welcome to the nice second floor master suite. Huge space, plenty of room for a king-size bed, plenty of furniture, big walk-in closet, and a beautiful master bathroom. Check it out. So now we're going to go down the hall and take a look at the 3 bedrooms and the common full bathroom. Take a look. I'm in the garage and I just wanted to show you this real quick. It's a huge garage. You've got a double garage door for 2 cars, a single for another car, or you can ride out with your grass mower. There's a Resner heater up there. The garage can be heated if you want. And bonus, besides the basement entrance in the house, you've also got a basement door here to and from the garage. It's really great. We're in the backyard now. It's a really great lot. You got a big parking area right off the 3-car garages for when all your guests come. You walk out the kitchen to this real nice covered patio, and the yard is huge for the kids and the pets to play. So that concludes our tour of this brand new listing, 5164 Annandale. It's in Southwest Millcreek and Westbury Ridge, 3-car attached garage, full basement. If you're looking to buy or sell real estate, call me, I can help you. My cell phone's 814-602-6181. And again, click that little thumb to like this video, subscribe so you get more listings as soon as they come on the market, and click the bell for notifications. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent. Thanks for watching.